I always like anything .gov. You understand? Because we're dealing with government. Or Wells Fargo, or big banks. Because banks cannot hold these non-performing assets too long. And when it comes to commercial, banks get scared. If they foreclose on a hotel, for instance, they don't know how to manage the hotel. They're bankers. So now they have to work with a management company, so they want to get rid of it right away. If, I was talking to a banker, I don't know, a year ago or so. I saw a small boat. Now, I'm not into boating or anything like this, but every now and then, I look at the foreclosure sites of a bank, and these banks, they had some yachts that they foreclosed on. Of course, I started with the big yachts, and I said, that's crazy, smaller, until I find a boat. That was pretty nice. Not a dinghy, like something I heard, not like a decent thing. So I called the banker, and I said, hey, you got this thing for $60,000. Now, I had searched for a few minutes just for fun, and I saw that boat everywhere. The cheapest I found it was $100,000. So I called, I said, does it have an engine? Oh, yeah. You know, you got to talk to this person, he knows. The person called me back. Yes, it has an engine, it's a great boat. Go ahead, we'll accept any offer. I mean, he's already negotiating with himself before I even say anything. I'm like, okay, what's the lowest you would go? Well, how about you give us an offer, all cash, 50. I said, would you finance it? No, we don't want to finance any boats anymore. Okay, how about 30? Well, he wasn't insulted. He was like, okay, 30, can you put the offer in writing? I'll go to my bosses, talk about the credit committee, let you know on Wednesday. I said, well, how long has it been listed? Oh, long enough to pay the marina 3-4 times. You see the problem now? He just told me the problem. He's paying the marina because the boat has to be docked somewhere. I said, oh, okay, well, maybe 30 is too much because it's going to take me a while to take. And the guy's still continuing to talk. Like somebody else would be like, are you kidding me? But he's a banker. It's other people's money for other purposes. You with me on this?